When working on the cam side of the bike, the first thing you're going to want to do is strip down some parts for repair so they're not in your way. Take the exhaust off. Take off the foot peg. When you pull this cover, this should come with it, so don't worry about it. You're going to take the points out, take your ignition right out, boom, and then take this off. So after you pull your ignition, points and whatnot, or whatever kind of ignition you have, make sure you take out all these little screws, but watch out, they're all different sizes. Well, they're not all different sizes. A few of these are one size, a few are another size, a couple are another size, because they sit in different points of the case. Just make sure you mark where they go. A lot of guys will take a piece of cardboard and stick the bolts through in the spot they go in. Just put it aside. I just keep them in. Make sure that they're out, but keep them in the case. And then the trick is to get this apart just by tapping on it. They make a tool that you can put in here that'll just push it out, but we're old school. We just want to tap on here and there until it loosens up. Use a rubber mallet, not a hammer. When you get it separated and you can see down in there, you'll see all of your cam gears popping right out of your case. So what you want to do before you take it all the way off, if you want to keep your cam timing the same or even just keep everything kind of close, you're going to want to try to get a screwdriver in there and gently and without fucking it up, keep those cams in the 4 holes they're in, or 5 if you include that front one, while you remove the cover. Gently and slowly. So that's what it looks like when it's open. To get that cover the rest of the way off, you got to pull that oil line right there. It's just a breather. You can just pop it off. That one right there. Pull that, and the whole cover comes off, and then we can adjust the cams, do what we need to do. So I was going to show you how to time the intake and exhaust cams and everything, but I really don't want to fuck with this. After 36 years, I open it up, I turn it to where it's supposed to be, and everything's perfect. You see, you got marks on each of the cams, and those marks line up when the rear cylinder is top dead center. So if you look right here, the marks are lining up on both of those. You see the mark right here, and the corresponding mark, it's hard to see how it's on the tooth, and then over here you can see the marks lining up perfectly. See a little notch. And then over here, so it's really clear, perfect. I mean, we're not even one tooth off. The lines line up exact. Here, you can see the 2 marks, one on each, pointing at each other. So everything's lined up perfectly. I'm not even gonna fuck with it. I only opened it up because the bolt for the generator dropped down in the hole and was right there. So I'm just going to clean it up, put a new gasket on, close it down. That's about that. Fucking beautiful.